Okay, I kind of wanted to do a wrap up as I'm finishing up this bike, and everything turned out pretty nicely. I am still doing a few tweaks on the fuel injection and a couple things here and there that I'm still replacing or adjusting. So wanted to kind of show you guys how I documented what I've done so far, but the bike does show nicely for its age and not too bad for about $4,250 all in so far. I do have to change out the oil because it is kind of going through a break-in. I did hone out the cylinders and put those new 9.5 to 1 pistons in there. So I just want to dump that oil. I've got about, I don't know, 50 miles on it right now, and so far pretty good. Okay, so so far throughout this process I've been kind of documenting everything as I go along. You can see here I've written down the belt and pulley, numbered teeth and type of tires, oil filters, bore, engine oil, transmission, primary, what type of cam, shock and fork pressure, and that it has a power commander. I've also documented the throttle position sensor setup on the Magneti Morelli fuel injection, and then took some measurements as I was working on the cylinders and installing new pistons. And then this is kind of I guess a wish list or things that I've done or that I'd like to do. And then finally just kind of a checklist of things that have been done or need to be done. And then I do have the wiring diagrams for the bike, and you know, just some various things that I got when I was making some purchases. So anyway, this is kind of my logbook here, and I keep this on pretty much all the bikes or vehicles that I work on. So anyway, hope this can help somebody, and more to come. Okay, one thing I haven't done yet is fired this thing up for the video. Got things kind of wrapped up here, and unfortunately there's some snow coming down, and it is January 16th, so that's to be expected, but at least I wanted to show that the bike is running and show you how it sounds. So I did start it up a second ago. She is a little bit cold-blooded. I think I still have to do a little tweaking on this fuel injection, but anyway, so you can hear the fuel pump come on and the engine light to wait, I guess, until fuel pump is done doing what it's doing. And I'm going to hit the start button. Are sounding pretty nice. Okay, there you have it.